Does that tongue help you think? You think better with your tongue?
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
it's a Ninja Turtle box.
It is.
It looks like that one. Look, that one.
Exactly.
Like the big one. Mommy, we have that. Mommy, look. We have that.
Yeah, you have that in your hand right now.
And the same. Another color. Because that is the one in your gun, and that's still there.
Mm-hmm.
You got.
How you doing? Tongue's pretty good, huh? Is chocolate happy? Happiness is chocolate?
This is the life.
This is the life?
I'm happy because Easter. Mommy, is it Easter?
It's Easter on Sunday. You're getting a pre-Easter. What do you think about pre-Easter?
Yeah.
Yeah? Pretty good?
But I have Ninja Turtle chocolate and that Ninja Turtle box and that heart.
And you know what? Easter Bunny hasn't even come yet. How you doing?
Mommy,
Yes.
that looks like a mountain.
Chocolate?
I bet my tongue.
What?
I bet my tongue is not going
I so can't understand you with
Mommy,
the chocolate
look
in your
at
mouth.
the heart.
Oh my goodness!
Look at the heart.
I think you guys are having fun. Are you gonna give me any chocolate? Uh-uh. What about you?
One bite.
Oh, you're so sweet. Mmm. Thank you for sharing.
Little bite.
One little bite? Mmm. Thank you for sharing.
You're welcome.
Mmm. That's good stuff right there.
Nom, nom. Well, look